Hi, it's Karen. This is going to be a very short video. This is so good and so easy, and I got it from the Skinny Taste Cookbook, which I will put in the description a link for. And I made it a little bit different than what she did because I didn't have all the ingredients that she had. And also, this is only 5 points. So hers is a lot more points because there's feta cheese and olives. All I did was take a pita, which was it was a whole wheat pita bread for 4 points. And I put 2.5 tablespoons of hummus. I get this original organic hummus at the store. And then I chopped up about a tablespoon or 2 of purple onion, and then a bunch of grape tomatoes. And I put it on top with a little bit of salt and pepper. And it's really good. And I just think, you know, somebody might want to try it because it's delicious. It's great for lunch for 5 points. And I hope you try it and like it. Bye.